Today we'll explore the various elements that make up weather. Let's explore these key elements. First, temperature. It tells us how hot or how cold it is. Next, cloud cover. This refers to the clouds we see in the sky. It can vary from a bright blue sky with no clouds to thick gray clouds that block the sun. Then there's wind, the movement of air that can be a gentle breeze or a strong gust. And finally, precipitation. It's any form of water like rain or snow that falls from the sky to the ground. Each of these elements play a crucial role in shaping our weather conditions. Let's look at each element individually. The first element was temperature, how hot or cold it is. We measure temperature in degrees Celsius. It's written as a little degree symbol and a capital letter C. Temperature is measured with a tool called a thermometer. The next element was cloud cover. This refers to the number of clouds in the sky. When the sky is free of clouds, we describe it as clear skies or sunny. If there are a few clouds, we refer to it as partially cloudy. A sky filled with numerous clouds is called cloudy. When the sky is entirely covered with dark clouds, we say that it's overcast. The third element was wind. Wind is defined as moving air. There are two distinct measurements for wind: speed and direction. Wind speed indicates how quickly air is moving. It's measured using an anemometer. Wind speed can be expressed either in kilometers per hour or meters per second. The second measurement is the direction of the wind. We use the compass directions to indicate wind direction. The tool we use to measure wind direction are wind socks or wind vanes. The name of a wind measures the direction from which it is blowing. A northerly wind is a wind that blows from the north. The last element is precipitation. Precipitation refers to any form of water that falls to the ground. Examples of precipitation include hail, snow, and rain. Rainfall is measured using a rain gauge. We measure rainfall in millimeters. Weather affects our everyday lives. It affects how we dress, the activities we choose to do, what we eat and drink, and even how we travel. If it's a warm summer's day with clear skies, you might want to go to the park with your friends. You'll wear shorts and put on a hat to protect you from the sun. If you feel thirsty, you'll drink a cool soda or water. You might even take your bicycle to get there. If it's cold and rainy, on the other hand, you might want to curl up in front of the television with popcorn and hot chocolate to watch your favorite movie. You might wear a comfy jacket or even cover yourself with a blanket. In most areas, rainfall differ from season to season. Some areas receive more rainfall than others each year. The rainfall seasons also change from place to place. Some areas enjoy rainfall throughout the year. Other areas might receive rain only in the winter or only in summer. It's important that you understand the difference between weather and climate. Weather refers to the conditions that we learned about in this video, such as temperature, wind, cloud cover, and precipitation. Climate, on the other hand, represents the average conditions over an extended period of time. When you glance outside, at any given day, you can observe the weather. You can assess the current conditions and choose what to wear accordingly. Climate, however, is an average that can only be observed over time. For instance, the climate of a specific area might indicate that it has warm, wet summers and cool, dry winters. If you're relocating from one place to another, it's important to research the climate so that you can decide the appropriate attire that you need to buy when living in that region.